What's going on, everybody? This is my third avocado transplant update. So this was ripped out of the ground due to losing my shade structure or my microclimate for my neighbor's sisuo tree on August 5th. It is now September 15th, so more than a month now. And I think I've got a pretty good success story, even though it kind of looks like garbage right now. All of the main trunks appear to be green still. If you look here, I've got on my Stewart avocado, or my Zuantu avocado, the leaves are still green for the most part. Only one side kind of took a shock, which I can live with. Not a whole lot of dieback, and it looks good. My Stewart avocado, although you see a lot of the leaves are kind of dying back, I still have a good set of leaves that are still going strong, and hopefully it still bounces back. All of my main trunks are still green, which is a good sign for me. We're out of the mega hot streak of summer, so hopefully it'll continue to grow. My little hoss that doesn't like being transplanted, because nothing really does, has one little leaf on it here, and these leaves down here, they don't look too bad either. So we'll continue to baby these a little bit. I've given them a little extra water every now and then just to help it from drying out, but they seem to be okay. Fall's the best time to plant avocados, so hopefully they will start acclimating and have a good recovery over the winter time. All of these did really well in our cold winters, the last 2 winters, so I'm confident they can pull through. We'll just see how they go. So if you like our update, just subscribe and we'll continue to bring you more good stuff. Thanks.